Have you ever dreamed of organising your own music festival but didn't know where to start? Well, today I'm breaking down the 14 essential steps to plan a successful music event. Now, whether it's a small gathering or a full-blown festival, this guide will help you nail it. So let's get straight into it. Step 1. Define your festival goals. So first things first, what's your festival all about? Now you need to define the theme and your goals, of course. Are you aiming for a techno rave, a family-friendly music day, or an underground house party? This will set the tone for everything else. Think about your target audience, your vibe, and what makes your event stand out. Step 2. Lock down the venue. Next, find the perfect spot for the festival. Whether it's a club, a field, a warehouse, make sure it fits your theme and audience size, check for availability, and don't forget permits and restrictions. Pro tip, visit the venue during the same time of the day that your event will be on to spot any potential issues. Step 3, book the talent. This is the fun part. So booking your performers. Start with the headline acts to draw the crowd, then think about your supporting DJs or bands to complete the lineup. Be sure to confirm contracts and rider requirements early on, and remember, the music is the heart of your festival. Step 4, handle the legal stuff. So no one wants their event shut down by the popo, right? No police. And make sure you've got the right permits, licenses, and insurance. Now this includes noise permits, alcohol licenses if needed, and event insurance to cover any unexpected mishaps. Step 5, design your festival layout. So a great layout can make or break the festival experience. So you want to plan where your stages, food stalls, merch tables, and chill out zones are going to be. Don't forget clear signage and crowd flow paths to avoid bottlenecks. Step 6, promote like a pro. You've got the event planned, now it's time to spread the word. Create a buzz on social media, design eye-catching flyers, and use paid ads to target your audience. Don't forget to build hype with teaser videos and artist announcements. Step 7, launch ticket sales. Set up your ticketing system early, offer early bird discounts to boost initial sales, and make sure that the tickets are easy to buy online and mobile friendly. You can track sales to estimate attendance and plan accordingly. Step 8, lock in the vendors. Everyone loves good food and unique merch. Reach out to food vendors, drink suppliers, and merch sellers in your local area to add value to your event. Make sure that contracts are signed to avoid last-minute cancellations. Step 9, build your crew. You'll need a reliable team to run your festival. Recruit and train volunteers and staff for roles like ticketing, security, and tech support. A well-prepared team can save you from chaos on the day. Step 10, get the tech ready. So tech is critical. Work with sound and lighting teams to ensure that everything runs smoothly. Schedule time for sound checks and rehearse transitions between acts. Step 11, plan for the unexpected. Okay, so what if it rains? What if someone gets hurt? Prepare contingency plans for bad weather, medical emergencies, and other surprises. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Step 12, the final countdown. In the final weeks, do a full run-through of your festival setup. Confirm all logistics, vendor arrivals, and ticketing systems. This is your chance to fix any last-minute issues. Step 13, well, that takes us to showtime. So the big day is here. Stay calm, stick to the schedule, and handle problems as they come. Don't forget, enjoy the event that you worked so hard to create. And step 14, well, that's your post-festival wrap-up. So after the festival, thank your team, clean up the venue, and collect feedback from attendees. Use what you learned to improve for next time. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to planning your music event. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, drop me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more DJ tips, tricks, and mixes. I'm DJ Hurley from MKFM, and until next time, keep spinning, stay creative, and I'll see you in the mix.